Everybody go to breakfast.
What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a prepare with me for vacation. Right now I'm at my lash appointment right now and I really have to hurry up and get in there, so this is going to be a little short intro and I will come back to you guys after I get my lashes done. This is my first time ever getting my lashes done, so this is exciting. I really hope they come out right for my trip. So I'm gonna go in there, you guys will see me get my lashes done, and then I'll come back and talk to you guys about everything we're gonna be doing. And yeah, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in there. Hey guys, so I am all done with my lashes and here they are up close. My lashes turned out really cute. I really love them. This is my first time getting lashes like I was telling you guys, and ended up being 10 out of 10. I really do like them. So yeah, so I'll insert some little pictures of the inspo pics that I showed her right here on the screen somewhere, and then I told her I did want a few spikes throughout the lashes. So I think she did what she needed to do. And I will insert a picture of how my lashes look as well on the screen somewhere that we took in the video. So yeah, if you guys do want to know my little lash map, then comment down below and I'll ask her what it is. But yeah, so I really like them, as you guys can tell. But to finish the intro to this video, basically this is a preparation video for vacation. So I am going on a 5-day cruise. I'm going to Cabo and Ensenada, and I'm going to be doing a whole separate vlog for that. So make sure you guys are subscribed if you're not, so you guys can be on the lookout for that video, because that would be a real fun video. I have a few more things to do on the agenda for this preparation video. So we got my lashes done, and I actually am going to be going to the European Wax Center to go get a Brazilian wax, and I will take you guys along. I have got a wax before, so I'm not like new to this, but hopefully it doesn't hurt because I haven't got one in a while. So I'm gonna get a little wax, and then that's it for today. Tomorrow I am going to be getting my hair done. I have a really cute hairstyle. I'll put a picture on the screen right now to show you guys what I am getting. So I think those are called like some bohemian island twists. I really don't even know what they're called. I thought they were passion twist at first, but I guess they're not. So I'm going to be getting that tomorrow. I already got the hair for it, so hopefully that turns out cute. My lashes turned out cute, so I'm just hoping for the best. I think it will. I'm gonna speak it into existence. And then the next day, Friday, the day before I leave, I'm going to be getting my nails done, my nails and toes done. So that'll be good because they're much needed, guys. Like, I've never went like this with my nails being like this, so I really need to get them done. I did get both a Shein and Fashion Nova package. Stay tuned for my Fashion Nova try on haul for this vacation. I'm gonna do a whole separate try on haul for that. I did get a Shein package as well, and I didn't really get a lot of outfits from Shein, just like 3, and then some accessories, purses, shoes, jewelry. So I don't know if I should show you guys that right now. Yeah, I'll just show you guys my Shein package right now, the little stuff I got, because it's real cute. Y'all, I got like 23 things from Shein, so stay tuned for this right now. First, we have this little yellow dress, and then I got this little dress again, so real cute. It's pink. And then I got this blue dress. You can't really see how it looks right now, but like this is like the top, and then it shows your stomach a little bit. That's all I got for like clothes, because I got a lot of my clothes from Fashion Nova, but I did get a whole lot of accessories. So first, I got these little cute sandals. I got this little blue purse, and then it has some gold in it. And then I got this little travel bag. It's a tan bag, and basically you can hang this up wherever, and it comes with a little hook, and then you can put all your different things that you need to, so that way it's not taking so much space in the sink area by the bathroom. So I really wanted to get that because cruise bathrooms are not big at all. And then I got this big bag, and it says stuff, and I don't know, I was just gonna put like my shower stuff. Honestly, I don't really know exactly what I'm gonna put in there, but you guys will see that because I'm gonna pack with you guys as well, and I don't know what day I'm packing. I really don't. Probably the last day, I'm not gonna lie, but we'll see. Then I also got those same pink sandals in green. I really like the look of those sandals. They're very trendy, so I wanted to get those. And I also got this small little jewelry box. It's just a white jewelry box, and honestly this is pretty spacious, but it's just gonna hold all my jewelry because I do want to have a few things I can bring, and I want to organize it because my jewelry's not always organized. Now onto a lot of my shoes. I got some more sandals. So these yellow sandals with a little flower that's orange. So these were really cute and different. I don't really see a whole lot of people wearing those, but yeah, they're just real cute. And then I got these green sandals, and they have a little bit of gold in them. And then I got some gold sandals, so real cute. I love gold, and I love the little square look. It's different, and it's not a high heel because you do see a lot of high heels like this. So I thought it was cute as a sandal because I'm not a big fan of high heels. I don't plan on wearing any on the cruise. And then I got these red sandals that have a little bit of gold, and these are a really good material too, so I'm hoping that they do last me a long time. I also got some white sandals because you could never go wrong with white sandals, especially some white and gold, and I needed a new pair anyways, so I was just like, let me just get some white sandals because I really don't have any good ones right now. I got this little gold purse, so this is how it looks, and it is really small, but I didn't want anything too big. And then when you open it, it comes with a little gold chain that you can put on it, so gold on gold. This is how it looks with the little chain on it. Next, I got this little red purse. And then I got this little yellow bag. This is honestly so cute, and I've been seeing these like on Pinterest and stuff, so it was like when I seen this I was like, yes, I gotta make a little outfit out of this. So this is really cute. It's a purse. And then I got this green purse, and then it's kind of crocheted right there, and this is silver. I thought this was gold, but it's silver, but it's still cute. And then for jewelry, I just got some anklets, and then I also just got different color earrings, hoop earrings that has like yellow in there, green, pink, gold. And lastly, I got these little things for your suitcase or your bag, so you can put them on your bag, which is so cute. And I got two because I'll probably be bringing like 2 bags. That is my Shein haul. Like I said, make sure you guys stay tuned for my Fashion Nova haul. And yeah, and I'll be trying everything on in that haul video. But it is currently about to be 7 and the wax center closes at 8, so I'm gonna get going to this wax center and we're gonna go get this Brazilian done. Wish me luck. Hey guys, so today is a new day, and today I am getting my hair done, and I'll show you guys the inspiration picture right here if I didn't show you guys yesterday. Unfortunately, my camera is gonna die. My charger battery broke. I have to get a new charger battery, and my camera is partially broken, so I am just going through it. I'll try to get a little bit of footage for you guys on my hair, but this is just so irritating. I'll see you guys when I get my hair done. I'm excited, a little bit nervous. I just hope it comes out the way it's supposed to. Fingers crossed. And yeah, so I'll see you guys when I get there. Hey guys, so I am back home, as you can see, and unfortunately, like I had said, my battery camera died when I got there, so I really didn't get a whole lot of footage of my hair. But I am back home. I did my makeup to see like the full effect of how my hair looked, and it came out really cute. I'm gonna give you guys a better look of how my hair is. So as you can see, here's the front of it, and then I'll show you guys the back. Here is the back. And don't even mind my shirt. But yeah, I absolutely love it. It's definitely giving vacay vibes. Like, So I've just been making TikToks, of course, but I really love how everything has came out. Like, you know, when you start trying new things, or just when you have something big coming up and you just need your appointments to go smoothly, like as if something's always happening, but it's not. It's been going really good, so I'm really grateful and happy with everything. So yeah, that is the end of today's vacation prep. Tomorrow I'm finally getting my nails done. I honestly should have got them done at the beginning of the week because this is just so annoying. They hurt, and yeah, I'm just so ready to get my nails done. I will see you guys tomorrow when I get my, and don't even mind the fireworks in the back because today is the 4th of July, but I will see you guys tomorrow when I'm getting my nails done. Nail time. I'm now home, as you guys can see, and now it is time to pack. But before we get into it, here are my nails. If you guys can see them, I'm looking in the mirror to make sure you guys can see them. I just got white, short, square, and then I got white on my toes as well. You can never go wrong with white, so I wanted to get white just so it went with all of my outfits, and you know, I didn't have to worry about not matching because I love to match, and I just love how white looks. It looks clean, cute, and nice. And now I'm home, and now it is the last and final thing for this preparation is packing, the fun part. I think it might be easy though, just because I do know everything that I'm packing, like outfit wise, and then I did make a list of some things to remember, so I think that list will really help. And I got some organization stuff for packing, so it'll be good. Let's just get straight into it. I'm not going to talk too much. I'm kind of just going to speed up this process and just vibe and pack.
Everybody go to breakfast. Choco bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did one by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out. I'm a mind that's in the dark. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy and I know that careful. That the baba fry yo, my yo, don't cry yo. Alibigo and shadow, alibigo and shadow, alibigo and shadow.
Okay guys, so I am all packed, I think, for the most part. I tried to put everything in there that I think I should pack, so hopefully everything is packed and I'm not missing anything. I think I'll be okay though. But this is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this preparation video. Make sure you guys are subscribed if you're not, so that you guys can stay tuned for the whole cruise vlog. I might do 2 parts or just 1 long part. If you guys could comment down what you guys would prefer and let me know, so I kind of get an idea. But for sure a vlog is coming, so make sure you guys subscribe and don't forget to like and comment on this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.